Today in this video I'll show you how can you get training transfer points in FIFA Mobile. Just follow carefully with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Make sure you have the app updated and then let's start. From here tap on the store in the bottom right corner and that is the starting place right there. So tap there. Once you open the store you need to go to the event shop. So tap right here on event shop. You find some packs here. You can purchase the ones that you want to purchase and you get some tokens in them. So the hero tokens are the same as training points. You can tap right here on these ones right here that you have earned and you can unlock them by tapping right here. Now you can just tap there again and then you'll unlock the pack and you'll get some hero tokens from there. As you can see here, I got 3. Now tap on continue. Another place you can do or go to is to go to quests and complete quests or weekly, daily quests, whatever, to collect gems, and you can buy packs by doing that. And in the packs, of course, you get some tokens or training points just like that. Another thing you can do is to play league games and you should earn some tokens from there too. That is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.